Okay, so sometimes this happens. I just got fuel topped off the tank, and so if I put the key in and I'm about ready to hit start, I get this and I stop it. It seems like it's having trouble starting. Do it again. There we go. So the first time it did it, before I started recording, it just turned over for 5 seconds or so, and then I stopped. And then did it again on video, and that's what you saw. And third time was the charm, it started right up. So, kind of quirks of the E92 M3. It's only happened, it did happen twice before, but it was months ago, just after I bought the car back in, what, March? February, now I forget when I bought it, but it happened twice. The first two times I filled up from near empty on the car, and it's only done it again this time, so kind of strange. Anyway, that's it. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.